You're in a conversation, you know what you want to say, but the perfect English words won't come, and you just stand there silent. This lesson is for beginner English learners who feel stuck between knowing and speaking. By the end, you'll have 3 tricks to keep talking even when you forget words. Miss these and people will think you're not interested or that you can't communicate. Brian, do you ever forget words in the middle of talking?
All the time.
What do you do?
I just stop talking and feel embarrassed.
Yeah, most learners do that, but stopping makes it worse.
How so?
Because the conversation dies. The other person feels awkward too.
True. So what should I do instead?
Keep talking. Use different words.
But I don't know the right word.
Doesn't matter. Describe it.
Just describe the thing?
Exactly. Let me show you. Pretend you forgot the word wallet.
Okay.
You say, the thing where I keep my money.
Oh, that's smart.
Right? Everyone knows what you mean.
So I don't need the perfect word?
Never. Communication beats perfection every time.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good. Let's practice. What if you forget refrigerator?
The cold box in the kitchen?
Perfect. See how easy that is?
I do. What about elevator?
You try.
The thing that takes you up and down in a building?
Yes, you're getting it.
This is actually fun.
Now here's trick number 2. Use your hands.
Like gestures?
Exactly. If you can't say drink, pretend you're drinking.
People do that?
All the time. Communication is more than words.
Okay, so show, don't tell.
Right. Let's say you forget keys.
I do this motion like I'm unlocking something.
Perfect. And you could say the thing for the door.
Both together works even better.
Exactly. Words plus gestures equals clear communication.
What's the third trick?
Ask for help. Say, how do you say, and describe it.
Wait, I can just ask?
Of course. Say, how do you say the thing you cook rice in?
How do you say the thing you cook rice in?
And I'd say rice cooker.
Oh, so I learned the word right there.
Exactly. You turn your mistake into a learning moment.
That's actually brilliant.
Let's practice that. Ask me how to say something.
How do you say the person who fixes your teeth?
Dentist.
Dentist, got it.
See? Now you know that word forever.
This is way less stressful than I thought.
Because you're not trying to be perfect anymore.
Right, I'm just trying to communicate.
That's the whole point of language.
So even if I mess up, it's okay.
More than okay. It's normal.
Native speakers mess up too?
Constantly. We forget words, we use wrong words, we gesture wildly.
I never noticed that.
Because you were too focused on your own mistakes.
Fair point.
Here's the truth. People care about your message, not your grammar.
Really?
If you can make yourself understood, you win.
That takes so much pressure off.
Good. Now let's put it all together. Pretend you're telling me about your day, but you forget the word traffic.
Okay, so I was late because of, all the cars on the road?
Perfect. I know exactly what you mean.
And I could add a gesture like cars everywhere.
Yes. See how natural that feels?
It does. What if I completely blank on everything?
Then you say, give me a second, I'm thinking.
Is that allowed?
Of course. Native speakers say that all the time.
Oh, wow.
Or say, how do I explain this while you think?
So I'm just talking while I figure it out.
Exactly. Silence is the only thing that feels awkward.
I always thought I had to have the answer ready.
Nope. Thinking out loud is totally fine.
This changes everything.
That's the goal. Let's review fast. What's trick 1?
Describe the thing if I forget the word.
Trick 2?
Use gestures and body language.
And trick 3?
Ask how to say it.
You've got this. Go practice today.
I will.
Remember, fluency isn't about perfect words. It's about not stopping.
Keep the conversation going.
Exactly. Here's my question for you. What English word do you always forget when you need it? Tell us in the comments and subscribe if you want more tips like this. We're helping you speak English without fear, one lesson at a time.
See you next time.
Bye.